Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you have a 20-inch bird bath or heated bird bath and currently looking for a plastic pedestal for it? If you're looking for a pedestal for your bird bath, then the plastic pedestal for a 20-inch bird bath will be the perfect product for you. This is a plastic pedestal that comes in beige and will conveniently and securely hold your prized bird baths. You will not only attract birds but also the attention of friends, visitors, and family members with this elegant looking pedestal for your bird bath. Here are its product information. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 10 by 10 by 25. Weight is 3 pounds. So what are you waiting for? You can have the plastic pedestal for a 20-inch bird bath today at a very affordable price and have a way to securely hold your prized bird baths. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.